Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, we're out in the Triumph Stag. Weather's been absolutely atrocious with all the floods and everything that's been going on. So now we're in Sunday and it's an absolutely beautiful day. It's just nice to get out in the classic car. Roads are a little damp. God, I love this thing. Listen to her purring away. Yeah, so just an update on the Triumph Stag. Car is running absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going over to a beautiful little market town called Stokesley in North Yorkshire. I like to go there on the Sunday for my Sunday dinner. I'll give a shout out to the deli in Stokesley. That's where I usually go. Fantastic place. Well, yeah, over driving. There you go. Yeah, this car's great. It's working really well. I took the spark plugs out about a week ago and checked them, make sure they were a nice colour, which they were. So I know the car is set up correctly, because you can always tell by the spark plugs the colour of them. They were a lovely golden brown, no black on them. If you can tell a lot from spark plugs. They can usually give you a good indication what condition your engine's in. If they're oily and black, that means probably the rings are shot. If they're a sooty colour, like black but not wet, that means the car's running too rich. Yeah, lovely day today, the sun's shining. It's a lovely drive over to Stokesley Market Town. So yeah, car's running absolutely beautifully. Well, like I said, I'm going to use it all year round. Like I said I was going to do. This is what I'm doing. That's what you've got to do with classic cars. You've got to keep them moving, keep them going. I probably won't use it when they put the salt down. It's the salt that kills the cars. But at the moment, it's I think we're about 10 degrees at the moment outside. So as soon as I start spreading the salt on the roads, then I won't use the car. I've got a waterproof cover coming for it. And we'll wrap it up until the real cold weather clears off. But if it's mild and there's no salt on the roads, I'm going to use the car. Do you know why? Because I love driving it. See, it's got a flat tire. Yes, and with what's going on at the world at the moment, everyone knows what's going on the news, and it's just so depressing. Jesus, it's 2023. Why can't people just get on with one another? Huh? And you can all have a life like we have. Driving beautiful classic cars and, you know, freedoms. Oh, listen to that. Very nice. An Audi V10 has just gone past. I'm just getting over a cold as well. We had a gig last night, so it was a late one back. But it's nice to have a lovely Sunday, and when the weather's like this, it's lovely to get the classic car out. So you guys, get your classic cars out on a Sunday. Be a typical Sunday driver. You work hard all week, enjoy your life while it's, you know, it's quite normal at the moment, because I think what's going on at the moment, geez, I think bloody World War III's coming. Go on. The heater in this car is really warm, which is very nice. all works really nice. Everything works okay in this car, it's great. There's a couple of little issues I do have to iron out with the car. One of them being the petrol gauge. When it's in between the empty and the quarter, that's it. You're going to be out of fuel. So what I do, I use the quarter as my empty at the moment. So I'm going to have to investigate that. And the driver's side window is very slow coming down. Sometimes you have to give it a helping hand, and then it gets to a certain point and then it starts working correctly again. So I need to look into that. Probably needs a motor. Or maybe I'll be able to, might be able to strip the motor down and have a look. Get it going. So yeah, and that's about it. You're always going to be working, doing little bits and bobs on a classic car. So if you're thinking about getting a classic car, you know, you can do those jobs over the winter in your garage. Because when the weather's nice, it's so nice to get these things out. It's lovely. Yeah, we've had all that rain. I mean, it's been absolutely hoying it down. All the carpets are quite dry on this car. I'm just feeling down there now. Yeah, just a little bit of a damp patch, but nothing much. Not too bad since it sits outside. When I get my waterproof cover for the car, it'll be much better. So yeah, I'm just recovering from a cold, so if I'm sniffing a bit, it's because I've had really bad sinuses. Right, now we're in beautiful, beautiful Great Ayton. Stunning out here, guys and girls. If you're not from this area and you're checking into my my channel, which I do really appreciate, you want to get yourself up to North Yorkshire, especially if you've got a classic car, because the roads are lovely. There's not too much traffic on the roads, not like if you were down south. So glad I don't live in a city. Jeez, I couldn't think of anything worse. All these people, I just don't get why they want to live in cities. They're dreadful. Overpopulated. You can't beat the countryside, especially if you're near the sea. So you have the best of both worlds. Fresh air coming off the sea. That's what keeps me looking young. There's loads of nice cars whooshing around these areas. A fantastic car there. Just went past, it was a Porsche. One of the new ones. I'm trying to think of the model. Yes, autumn is my favourite season. It's just the colours, absolutely gorgeous. Especially days like today when the sun's shining and there's all the different shades of colours. No, 22nd, Sunday the 22nd, is it the 22nd, yeah, of October 2023. The year's nearly over. Don't know where this year's gone. It's just gone boom. Just feels like 5 minutes ago since I picked this car up from London. Well, yeah, all my temperatures are lovely. Car's running really cool. I've got great oil pressure, it's just above the 40. My volts are in the 14s. Like I say, the car is running really well. I'm just coming up to beautiful Stokesley. What to have? We go for me roast beef dinner. We like that bit of roast beef.